Alright, here's the Wonderful Golf Cart Project, Part 2. We are going to remove the engine. There's our lineup, and there's Little Man. Say hi, Little Man.
Hi.
You ready to dig in?
Yep.
Here we go. Alright, now Little Man's getting ready to tear into the electrical. He's going to start by removing that voltage regulator. Now he's going to push the wires out of his way. Now he's going to detach the power switch. What did you do? Can you show the camera because they didn't get to see it? Just no, on the power switch, the main control. Yeah, show them how it's screwed off of there. See the threads? And show them the other piece, how it threads on and threads off.
You can tell the screw's a little bit clean, except the end because it's a little bit rusty.
It does help out, don't it? Okay, that's detached. Alright. Now I'm going to have to aid Little Man here. We are going to have to take this off right here. Let me take this one off. We disconnected this wire right here. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. This is the solenoid that I'm disconnecting. And he is disconnecting some kind of module. We'll have to look that up later and do research on it. This also connects to a negative ground cable for the battery. I'm talking about the module. The module comes off. Those wires are free. Then the negative cable is connected to the solenoid. These things right here, great inventions, the ratchet wrench. Definitely want to invest in that pair. Alright, well what he's doing, he's going to remove the wires from the electric motor, electric starter.